Hey guys, we received these vintage leather bands compatible with the Apple Watch for test and try. So this is compatible with the 38, 40, 41, 42 up to 49 mm of the Apple Watch. So this is a really nice leather strap. Can be used by both men or women. And then you can see a leather band in here. So this is my Apple Watch Series 7 45 mm, and I'm just putting in this strap. So strap goes easily and fitted in this style as you can see, and is not coming out. So this side one is really good with the flexibility and the hole. You can easily wear that, and the genuine leather band. So once I wear, you can see this looks really nice and fits really well. No issue, and the stitching and everything looks good. My Apple Watch is also holding well. So basically a really nice band for the Apple Watch.